Hi there, just wanting to hop on and give my review for the Dyson Airwrap. I've got the first generation lot that came out. I found that using straighteners and other hair dryers, I had a lot of breakage. So I wanted something that was going to still give me that sort of blowout effect, but not be bad or cause my hair to be brittle. So this one is the one that I've got. It's got the multiple heat settings. So you've got hot, medium, and then the cool down. And then this one's also for a cool shot there as well. And then you've got different settings for the fans. They also come with multiple easy to take off and on attachments. You've got the smaller roller brush and then the bigger one. You've also got the two brush attachments. I have the original hairdryer attachment, as well as left and right in two different sizes for your more classic rollers in there as well. I've had this one for a couple of years now and I highly recommend it. Definitely seen a lot of positive changes in my hair since using a Dyson. I definitely won't go back to using any other product now that I've used this one.